Let me ask you something important. If supplements worked on their own, if diets worked on their own, if exercise worked on its own, you wouldn't still be struggling. And yet many people over 50 are doing everything right and still not healing. Today I'm going to explain why, and it has nothing to do with effort or discipline. My name is Alan Warnitz. I've spent over 2 decades studying nutrition, energy, stress biology and regeneration. And I reversed my own chronic asthma after decades of struggle. What I discovered changed how I understand healing forever. Here's the truth no one explained to you. The body does not heal because you give it tools. The body heals when it receives the right signals. Without signals, nutrients sit unused. Supplements circulate without effect. Repair enzymes stay inactive. Stem cells remain quiet. It's like delivering bricks to a construction site without ever giving the instruction to build. The materials are there. The blueprint isn't activated. This is why people keep stacking protocols, more supplements, more detoxes, more therapies, more effort. But the body doesn't respond to force, it responds to sequence and communication. If inflammation is high, the repair pauses. If stress chemistry dominates, regeneration waits. If energy is low, healings become secondary to survival. The body isn't broken, it's protecting you. Healing starts when we restore cellular communication, electrical hydration and minerals, mitochondrial energy, nervous system safety, detox and drainage flow, regeneration signaling. This is how the body healed when you were 20, not because you were younger, but because signals were abundant. Restore the signals and the body remembers what to do. Let's release a few dangerous beliefs. My body doesn't respond anymore. I've tried everything. Age stops healing. None of these are true. Healing slows when communication weakens, not when age increases. If this makes sense, stay with me. This channel isn't about quick fixes. It's about understanding how healing actually works. Watch the next video. Learn the sequence. Healing isn't luck. It's biology once you speak its language.